I'm going to be showing you how to list digital item on Facebook Marketplace. So it's really easy, so let's get right into it. So you can list digital items on Facebook Marketplace, but there's an important limitation. Marketplace is mainly for physical goods, or digital items are only allowed in certain formats and must follow Facebook's commerce policies. First, you need to check if your item is allowed. So Facebook generally allows some digital related listings like logo design or tutoring, or event tickets or software services, so it's really limited on that. But often not allowed is pirated software or ebooks you don't own the rights to, or downloadable files without service context. The first thing you need to do is open your Facebook. Just tap Facebook. As you can see, it's right there at the top. After you do so, you will find multiple options here. You just need to look at the bottom, and then you need to find Marketplace. And after you do, you just need to look at the top and you need to tap on Sell. And then you just need to tap on Create Listing. It's really right there in bold blue. And then you can tap on one item since this is a single item. Now just enter the title of what it is. So let's say it's a logo. Just enter the price. I'm going to go for 200 and select your category. Since it's digital, you need to search for the option of digital. But if it's not there, you need to scroll down till you find miscellaneous like this. So it says then make sure your listing complies with our commerce policies. And then you need to select the condition and enter the description as well. Since it is digital product, you need to make sure that your buyers know everything about it as possible. So make sure you add the description as well, even though it's optional. And then you can just add photos of your digital item. And after you do so, you just need to look at the top right and tap on Publish. And that's all you need to do. So that's how you list digital item on Facebook Marketplace. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.